Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We are here in Sterling, actually, with one of my clients here, and we picked up his rug, area rug here, and we are just returning it, and you know he's fairly pleased, and I have him here. Sir, how do you think we did overall with the quality of the work?
Well, excellent job, and I mean, you contacted me there right away when it was ready there to deliver with all the feedback. So I'm very happy there with the results.
Absolutely. So the way you were prompted by a dog accident that you tried to remove yourself. It was unsuccessful to some degree. So that's why you contacted us. So we were able to remove that odor, that stain from the rug. Are you pleased with the treatment that we did?
Absolutely, it looks perfect.
Okay, great. I agree with you. If you don't mind, would you recommend us to your family, friends, and coworkers?
Definitely will do that, and also in the neighborhood.
Okay, cool. I definitely respect that and I love that. So yeah, if you need any other services, you can give us a call next time. Okay.
Certainly.
All right. Thank you.